Tired of messy email chains and missed opportunities? Let's supercharge your Wix website by adding a direct line to your Connect Manager with a simple form. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard and click the Edit Site button. This will open the Wix editor, where all the magic happens. Scroll down to the section where your Connect Manager's information is displayed. This is where we'll embed our contact form. Click the Add button, the plus sign icon on the left-hand side. This will open the Elements panel, giving you access to all sorts of goodies. In the Elements panel, select Contact and Forms, and then choose a form template that suits your needs. I recommend the basic contact form to keep it simple. Now, drag and drop the form element onto the page, positioning it neatly below your Connect Manager's bio or photo. Click on the form to select it. You'll see options to customize the form fields, add or remove fields as needed, such as phone number or subject. Click the settings icon, the gear icon, to configure form submissions. This is where you'll set the email address where you want the form submissions to be sent. Make sure to use the Connect Manager's email. In the settings panel, go to Submit Message. Here you can add the Connect Manager's email. You can also customize the success message displayed after someone submits the form. Click the design icon, the brush icon, to style the form and match your website's aesthetic. Customize the colors, fonts, and button style. Finally, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the Wix editor to make your changes live, and that's it. Now your website visitors can easily contact your Connect Manager directly through your Wix site, streamlining communication and boosting customer engagement.